Aerion Merceror served as captain of the Vindicus Squad of the Ultramarines Legion during the Great Crusade and Horus Heresy. Present during the betrayal of Calth, initiated by the Wordbearers Legion, Merceror would defend the Ultramarines' flagship, the Macragge's Honor, from the traitors' forces. Leading his men to victory, Merceror would accompany the First Master of the 13th Legion, Marius Gage, in their pursuit of the fleeing Wordbearers' fleet, led by its first captain, Kor Phaeron. Following the Infidus Imperator into the warp, the Macragge's Honor would engage the warship with its broadsides as Merceror's squad would infiltrate its hull. Slaying every cultist in their wake, the Terminator-clad Ultramarines would attempt to thwart their chaotic rituals, yet be unsuccessful. Unleashing its fell power, the ritual would seemingly kill the Vindicus Squad and inflict critical damage under the Macragge's Honor. Continuing their traversal through the Immaterium, the Macragge's Honor would once again be ambushed by demonic forces as Kor Phaeron fled from the battle and re-engaged the overwhelmed forces of Marius Gage. However, Merceror would survive the force spawned from the ritual and would activate his homing tracer aboard the Infidus Imperator. Fighting a desperate battle within the bowels of the Wordbearers' flagship, Merceror would beseech Marius Gage to fire upon his position before being overwhelmed by the Wordbearers' Astartes. Targeting the Infidus Imperator, the Macragge's Honor would make its attack run and cripple the void ship with its cannons. Perishing within the blast of the guns of the Macragge's Honor, Merceror would die as a valiant martyr to his legion. His example of self-sacrifice and honor, securing the survival of his legion's flagship and achieving vengeance for the betrayal of Calth.